Moyen.
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 Moyen. This may look like a typical scene in Luxembourg, but a closer look will reveal that we are on the banks of the mighty Mississippi.
Moyen. Ache richan Chile. Ache kommen aus Brazil.
Aus gift was the possibility of recovering Luxembourgish citizenship.
The home and land of my ancestors.
These relatives of mine, who came from Luxembourg in search of new opportunities, have left us a legacy of determination.
C'était des gens braves et forts.
E hoje, ter essa chance espetacular de me tornar cidadão luxemburguês, não há palavras que descrevam o sentimento de gratidão e felicidade.
De recuperar essa conexão que temos.
It's an incredibly deep and impactful experience.
And with me going back to Luxembourg, it would be like having the circle completed.
And I'm recording this video because of how important my Luxembourgish citizenship is to me.
Luxembourgish nationality means much more to me than a document or a passport. It helps me understand who I am.
My Luxembourg heritage is just as important to me as my American heritage.
I am proud to be a Luxembourger.
When I visit, I just feel such a connection, it's a feeling of coming home.
We consider Luxembourg to be an important part of our past and future.
We are getting through a very tough time here in Brazil and all over the world with the coronavirus.
And we know about these times now. It's very weird.
Nesse ano, em julho de 2020, estávamos com tudo organizado, férias marcadas, passagem aérea, hotel, para finalizarmos a recuperação da cidadania luxemburguesa.
It looks like due to COVID-19, we are going to have to postpone our trip.
Because if COVID-19 had not forced me to cancel my plans, I would have been in Luxembourg today.
They've not been able to complete all their processes because they had planned to travel this summer.
This is such an uncertain time, and none of us know when and if it will be safe to travel again this year.
This is why I'm asking the Legislative Assembly to change the current law, allowing the deadline to be extended from the end of this year.
Aos ilustríssimos senhores deputados de Luxemburgo, nós pedimos, estendam o prazo para que possamos recuperar nossa nacionalidade luxemburguesa.
To extend the deadline and give hope to all of us that are so very excited about this opportunity for our future in Luxembourg.
You will keep people from Luxembourg safe and all the travelers safe as well.
Help us fulfill our dreams and goals.
For me and for my kids. We want to remain who we are, which is Luxembourgers.
Sentimos muito orgulho de onde vivemos e queremos continuar sendo o que somos.
Wir wollen bleiben, wat wir sind.
Wir wollen bleiben, wat wir sind. Wir wollen bleiben, wat wir sind.
Wir wollen bleiben, wat wir sind.
Wir wollen bleiben, wat wir sind.
Wir wollen bleiben, wat wir sind.
Filmos Messi, Luxembourg. Adi.